Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva to Facebook. First, open your amazing Canva design and look for the Share button, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and then you'll see a few options. You'll want to select Social Share or More to expand the list of platforms. From there, simply choose the Facebook icon to begin the connection process. It's super straightforward. Once you've selected Facebook, Canva will likely ask you to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're logging into the correct one. After that, you'll need to grant Canva permission to post on your behalf. This is a crucial step for the integration to work smoothly. You can then choose whether to post to your personal profile or a specific Facebook page you manage. This gives you full control over where your content appears. Now for the fun part, customizing your post. You can add a catchy caption to go along with your beautiful Canva design. Think about what message you want to convey to your audience. You also have the flexibility to publish your design right away or schedule it for a future date and time, which is fantastic for content planning. Don't forget to double-check your post's privacy settings to ensure it reaches the right people. Before hitting that final publish button, take a moment to review all your post details. Check the caption, the image, and the target audience one last time. For even better results, consider using Canva's built-in content planner to schedule posts consistently, perhaps 3 to 5 times a week. After your post goes live, remember to engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This helps build a strong community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.